walk into almost any classroom during break time, and instead of hearing a natural chatter, you'll see a room full of people staring down at their screens, scrolling through TikTok or playing Mobile Legends. Cell phones have become an inseparable part of our daily lives. However, without proper boundaries inside our schools, screen distraction is actively hurting our grades, shrinking our attention spans, and weakening our real life friendships. Restricting phone use during active class hours helps students focus on their studies and build real society connections, provided that reasonable exceptions are made for schoolwork and emergencies. Restricting phones during class hours significantly improves overall student focus and classroom participation. Constant notifications interrupt the flow of learning during lectures. Teachers frequently have to pause their lessons just to ask students to put away their phones, disrupting the entire class environment. In fact, education studies show that students spend up to 20% to 30% of class time looking at non-school content when phones are left sitting on their desk. On the flip side, putting phones away helps students absorb and retain information much better. Students participate far more actively in recitations and group work when they aren't constantly looking down at their laps. Research indicates that students who don't use phones during lectures perform roughly 10% to 15% better in quiz recall compared to frequent phones users. Phone restrictions encourage better face-to-face social interaction and support mental well-being and well-being.